Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I come up with another videos. Today's video about to installing the condenser fan of this 3-ton Mitsubishi vehicle. I'm going to unpack the 3-ton vehicle's condenser fan. So this one is the 3-ton vehicle's condenser fan. So I'm going to fix this one. So I'm going to dismantle the old fan. After dismantling this one, then I'll fix the new one.
هذا كليب كبطة كليب.
So I have removed this fan. Now I'm going to this one is my new fan. Okay. So this is my old fan. Now I'm uninstalling this one. So this one is a lock. I remove this lock. Now this strip is a now this need to remove this strip. After removing this strip, my fan will be free. Actually, this fan was its wing was broken, and this wings we have fixed with glue. So this was not working good one. So therefore, I'm going to change it. My new fan has come. So I'm going to install my new fan. Okay, this you can see it is broken from here. So it's we fixed the glue and we joined this wings, but this wing was not working good one. So now I going to change this. My new fan has come. So now I'm fixing it. Okay, this is I fixed. So I fixed its lock back. So this is my I am fixing it. So now I will fix the first I fix this strip, this iron strip. This will hold the this fan good one. Okay. So now I'm fixing this strip first, and after it, this one is the lock. Okay, this one hold this strip, and this fan will not be moved during the working. So here's in this way I am changing this fan, condenser fan. So my fan is a fixed good one. I have installed a new fan. So now I am fixing back this fan to the vehicles. After which I will show you it's a working good one. This is my old one. Its wing was broken. Therefore I changed this new one. Now my work has finished. I have changed my fan. Okay, now I'm going to fix it back, and after it I will show you. So yes, you can say now I am after installing the fan. Now I am fixing back all the things on the brackets which I removed for this fixing this fan. So I'm now going to fix it back. Fix, finish. So as you saw, I have fixed back my condenser fan back, and now I am fixing this my electrical connection grip, and after fixing this electrical connection, I will start the vehicles and I will check my new condenser fan is working okay. So as you can say, I have started my vehicle. Now as my condenser fan is working, it is giving good airs. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.